Dear students, welcome to our new session. So let's continue now with crossbreeding. Okay, so as you know, crossbreeding is selected as the best breeding method when the heritability is very low. And why is it that crossbreeding is being valued? There are two main reasons or contribution of crossbreeding in the improvement program. The first one is the valuation of the advantage of heterosis, that is overdominance. Overdominance is the advantage of the F1 over the parental line. And another option or benefit of crossbreeding is complementarity. So we either crossbreed to take advantage of heterosis or complementarity between genes, or both. Alright, note that heterosis is on the same character for the two breeds, meanwhile complementarity is on different characters or genes for the two breeds to be put together. Now the objectives of crossbreeding is either creation and modification of breeds or the production of commercial stock with improved performances as compared to that of the parental stock. Now let's start with overdominance. Here is an illustration from INRAD, France. So large white performance, this is the maternal breed large white, is represented here in blue, and the performance or trait considered here is the litter size, so the number of piglets at birth. Okay, Meshan is represented here in red. So it is observed that the average mean of both parental lines is around 11.5 litter size. But when both parents are mated together, it's been observed that there is a plus of 20% over their average mean. So this 20% is called the heterosis. Here we see that the F1 is superior to the average mean of both parents. Okay, now some factors influence the heterosis or overdominance. Firstly, we have the nature of the traits, the type of the trait. It's been observed that for the composition of products like the quantity of protein, the quantity of fat, and so on and so forth, the quantity of minerals in the milk, for example, has a very low or null heterosis. Meanwhile, the heterosis is average for production intensity. Now, for reproduction performances like the litter size, the maternal, the maternal effect, the heterosis is very high. It means that while crossbreeding animals, these characteristics are better improved than with selection or any other methods. Okay, the extent of the heterosis is also influenced by the distance between the parental population used for the crossbreeding. Here, for example, when two varieties or two breeds of the same species are used, we see that the heterosis is not that interesting. But if, for example, two populations of different breeds of different countries of origin are used, like two European breeds of pigs, if they are used, then the heterosis is average. So is the case when they use two taurine breeds Tauran cattle breed, yeah, for crossbreeding. Now, when the genetic distance is quite good between both parental lines, as we can see here for one European breed of cattle of pigs, and one Asian breed of pigs, the heterosis is very important. So is the case when a Tauran breed and a Zebu breed of cattle are bred together. Okay, now what is it all about for the complementarity? This concerns different characters or genes or traits. For example, we know that selection cannot be carried out but for the improvement of adaptability or resilience trait, or for production traits, since both characters are negatively correlated. So the best thing to take advantage of both traits in one animal is to combine the two in one by crossbreeding. And here you have a mixed breed with the combined trait of both parents. This is a case of complementarity. Okay, so dear students, thanks for watching and see you for the next